That's what makes it fun.
I don't know.
I just ate a baby.
What is
What's
happening?
go- Mother has been taken out of the game.
Mom, no. What is happening to Charlie right now? Oh shit.
Okay, look
Okay.
here.
Nah, that actually was like unintentional. Well, I died anyway. Charlie could have saved me, but she
You
just didn't
could
want
have
to.
saved him.
Charlie did not want to save me, bro.
I'm actually getting points for eating the
I
baby.
can't. Never mind.
Oh, I got the drip, guys.
Okay, bro. I'm
It's
hiding for
very
my life right
important,
now.
okay?
I'm hiding for my... And I just died. Incredible.